Let's do some verb juggling and accelerate your fluency. Helfen is to help. Helfen. How would you say I help? Ich helfe. How would you say you help? Du hilfst. You see, du hilfst. We switch from E to I in the second and third person. It's an irregular verb. So how would you say he helps? Hilft. Here again, hilft. We have an I. How would you say we help? Wir helfen. Wir helfen. In the plural form, we go back to the E. Wir helfen. How would you say you guys help? Ihr helft. How would you say I help you? Ich helfe dir. Dir. Helfen is one of the few dative verbs. So keep in mind, most of the verbs in German are accusative verbs. There are very few dative verbs. Helfen is one of them. So you need to use dative endings, dative articles, dative pronouns. Ich helfe dir. How would you say I help her? Ich helfe ihr. How would you say I help him? Ich helfe ihm. How would you say I help my wife? Ich helfe meiner Frau. Meiner Frau. Der Frau. You will need to use the dative ending for the feminine. Der Frau. Actually die Frau, but in dative it's der Frau. Ich helfe der Frau. Ich helfe meiner Frau. How would you say I help my wife often at home? Ich helfe meiner Frau oft zu Hause. How would you say I help my husband often at home? Ich helfe meinem Mann oft zu Hause. Meinem Mann. Here again, the dative ending for masculine. Meinem Mann, dem Mann. How would you say, can I help you? Kann ich dir helfen? How would you say, can you help me? Kannst du mir helfen? How would you say, can I help you, sir? Kann ich Ihnen helfen? So you see, we're using the dative pronouns because helfen is a dative verb, so the dative is triggered. How would you say, I've helped in the past? Ich habe geholfen. You remember we said it's an irregular verb. Ich helfe, du hilfst. Irregular verbs build the participle with an en at the end. Geholfen. Ich habe geholfen. How would you say I've helped you? Ich habe dir geholfen. How would you say I've helped you yesterday? Ich habe dir gestern geholfen. How would you say, I've helped yesterday my friend with the car? Ich habe gestern meinem Freund mit dem Auto geholfen. Meinem Freund, dative. Helfen triggers dative. Mit dem Auto, mit triggers also dative. Ich habe gestern meinem Freund mit dem Auto geholfen. And you remember, you have to kick the participle, the second part, the second verb, at the very end. How would you say, I've helped yesterday my colleague at work? Ich habe gestern meinem Kollegen auf der Arbeit geholfen. Auf der Arbeit is at work. Auf der Arbeit. Ich habe gestern meinem Kollegen auf der Arbeit geholfen. Meinem Kollegen. So we're using here the dative. Meinem Kollegen. Dem Kollegen. Now why do we say Kollegen? Actually, it's der Kollege. But der Kollege is a so-called weak noun. And the weak nouns get an additional N or EN when they're used as an object. Here, for example, as the dative object. So we say dem Kollegen to the colleague. Or I helped my colleague. Ich habe meinem Kollegen geholfen. Ich habe gestern meinem Kollegen auf der Arbeit geholfen. How would you say, I would help you? Ich würde dir helfen. I would, ich würde. I would help you, ich würde dir helfen. How would you say, I would help him? Ich würde ihm helfen. How would you say, I would help my colleague? Ich würde meinem Kollegen helfen. How would you say, if I had more time, I would help you? Wenn ich mehr Zeit hätte, würde ich dir helfen. If I had more time, wenn ich mehr Zeit hätte. You remember, wenn, a condition, wenn, introduces here a subclause so that the verb is kicked to the end. Wenn ich mehr Zeit hätte. Like saying, if I more time had. And then you follow up with the next verb of the main clause, as if both verbs are kissing each other. Wenn ich mehr Zeit hätte, würde ich dir helfen. If I more time had, would I help you? How would you say, I don't help you because I have no time? Ich helfe dir nicht, weil ich keine Zeit habe. Weil ich keine Zeit habe. Because I no time have. You see, weil kicks the verb at the end. Great! Next time we'll go through the verb antworten auf, to reply to. Antworten auf, to reply to. Like when you say, can you reply to my email? So here's what I want you to do now. Take this verb now and juggle it around. Build just 3 simple sentences, saying them out loud. Just 3 simple sentences. This will take you just 1 minute. In the next episode, you'll hear my take on this verb. So talk to you soon. Bis bald. Are you a busy professional who neither has the time, nor the patience, nor the energy to attend traditional language school classes at night or weekends? Then you're in the right place. Click the link in the description below and get my free German podcast course that will help you boost your confidence in speaking in less than 3 months, spending just 10 minutes a day while commuting to work.